reporting from Basera Park. The AQI continues to be in the very poor category, and right behind me you can see this very colorful hot air balloon, and for the very first time Delhiites will be enjoying this adventure ride here, and this is being branded by the Delhi Development Authority as the Yamuna riverfront project to rejuvenate the Yamuna floodplains. But the fact of the matter remains that Yamuna still contains 80% of sewage. The AQI continues to be in the very poor category, but you can see a large number of people, visitors who've come here to enjoy this hot air balloon ride. You're here at Basera Park, and you can see this brand new initiative taken by the authorities, and it is being branded as something that will clean Yamuna's image. But जब भी आप यमुना के पास से आप जाते हो कालिंदी कुंज घाट से, वो फ्रॉथ जो है वो अभी भी जैसा का वैसा ही है।
उसके लिए देखो गवर्नमेंट कुछ ना कुछ कर रही है, सभी गवर्नमेंट करती है, इससे पहले वाले भी कर रही थी, ये भी कोशिश कर रही हैं। तो कोशिश कर रही हैं, एक्सपर्ट ही उसकी वो जो है वो कर सकते हैं कि एक्चुअली उसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है। अभी तो ये हो रहा है कि एक टेम्प्रेरी उसको जो है उसका निकाला जा रहा है समाधान, बट एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है कि ये जहाँ जहाँ पे यमुना साफ है एटलीस्ट वहाँ पे जो है ऐसे गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव ले रही है और इस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट चला रही है, सो दैट कि लोग यहाँ पे आएँ अपनी फैमिली के साथ पिकनिक मनाएं। और एक लोगों के अंदर है ना एक वो भावना आती है कि हाँ हमें यमुना साफ रखनी है। तो दिल्ली वालों के अंदर भी ये भावना है, लेकिन ये गवर्नमेंट को पहले थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा कि जो डायरेक्टली इसमें नाले जा रहे हैं उनको थोड़ा सा ट्रीट करके पानी जाए, तो उससे काफ़ी हद तक इसमें अच्छा हो जाएगा, मतलब ये तो एक अच्छा पिकनिक स्पॉट बन जाएगा ये।
We'll speak to some more people. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Are you guys going to take this ride today?
Not too sure. I guess we see some risks involved. So while we are here for the experience, visual experience, but might not take the ride.
So, is the risk related to the pollution? Because we understand the AQI is also very, very poor at this point.
I guess that risk is what we've taken and come here, and we've been dealing with this, and he's been dealing with this for quite a while.
What, like what kind of impact? What kind of health impact has the air pollution had on you and your child?
I guess it is the seasonal flu which is there. Every year we get either accustomed to it, and the sale of air purifiers has gone up considerably. So I guess that is a proof of, while we are not able to do anything about the pollution itself, it's become a part of life. But we are still looking for solutions either ways. But as office going people, you can't find solutions everywhere.
That's a very interesting thought. Thank you so much for sharing your insights. So, the main sentiment that we are capturing here of the public is that the pollution crisis remains unsolved for years now. People want an escape. They feel they don't want to get stuck within the four walls of their home. They want to be out and about, enjoy the winter sun, and they feel that the government should focus on controlling pollution, but at the same time also hold such activities to motivate people, to make them feel more included in this whole situation where we are all dealing with the pollution crisis. And that is what we are here capturing, the sentiments of the public here who will be taking this hot air balloon ride, a DDA's flagship program which comes under Yamuna floodplain riverfront project to rejuvenate the Yamuna. We will have to wait and watch if this just remains to be something that cleans Yamuna's image, or if in the days to come we see more intensified efforts to actually clean the Yamuna. With camera person Vishesh, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.